Hi, this is Helen, and I'm in Munich at the moment in Germany. And this is going to be a channeled message regarding the Lionsgate portal. It's the 8th of August 2023, and it's about 4:30 in the afternoon here in Germany. So the Lionsgate portal has been open energetically from about late in the evening on the 6th of August, and it will remain open until late in the evening on the 11th of August, maybe into the early hours of the morning of the 12th of August. Now, the reason I share those times with you is that this is a powerful time to create whatever it is that you want more deliberately for your life. While the portal is open, our capability to connect to our own personal power and the power of the things that we wish to create are more in alignment and easier to cross the veil. So this channel will be in light language. So there'll be some activations to maximize the opportunities for you at this time, as well as some English messages regarding the portal as well, and the benefits of you doing some specific intentional work at this point in time. So once I start doing the channel for you right now, the best thing to do when you're listening to these messages is to take a deep breath in, get really comfortable. So maybe it's like stop the video now, and then once you're comfortable and feeling in a relaxed state and feeling very intentional, create the powerful situation for yourself to receive the light codes as effortlessly as possible, because the light codes will help you transmute old beliefs, old patterns, old behaviors and things that are in the way of you manifesting more of the life that you wish for yourself and for humanity. Yanya ho ho hale haleano kurom mereara matio kotolo marakate aleo kololo matea nyanana kolokotolo matio kotoho. Dear ones, this is a message from the source of all that is. And we're so glad that you're taking this time for yourself to connect to your heart's desires. At this time, everything that is available to you in a very powerful, easy and graceful way. So please maximize the energies of this great gateway, of this portal of light. Mereyana hale okokotam medekete kateale oko merere meti okotolo kotare meti okoto. Any heartfelt desires and pure intentions will be made manifest so much more easily. This is a powerful gateway for your transformation, for you to come into alignment with your heart and your soul. Yanyono meale teketi halala kotorom medaketi yokololo koromate nyanamati okotolo maranyana nemi okolokotolo manyana leri oko meati akoto. Aleana katea kalakadara mate nyono mo tokoloko lamati okotolo mati a narakati okoto. It's time for you to remember how powerful you are and how timeless you are. So all those little things that happen on a day-to-day basis that cause you aggravation, cause you to lose focus and to shift your attention onto things that you prefer not to be experiencing. So now is the time for us to collectively awaken to our soul rememberings and to shift into a higher 5D vibration so that we can enjoy more of life, because this really is your opportunity to experience heaven on earth. Aliana katai menyana kalea tareo kololo kotolo matariana kolokotolo manyana nyana nemiti okotolo Mariana no motora matari miti yoko lokotala mati yokotola Aliana motu kota materiana mituho kolela mati akali yokotola mati yakoto Aliana maniana nimitu kotolo kolela mayana ki akali yokoto Marakati yo lokolo maniana miti hakololo motara matikati anyana mayokotolo Aliana maniana mitiki yokololo mati ali okotola mati okoto Manana no colocoto la materiana, caleatoro materio cotola manana, maracaticati, nianamati, hocololo man, aleana matolo codo matarea meticatia calacadamati, hacalea cuhu, meniana male, nemiti coctum, aleara cariamatora matecadamati, yocotola matea cati yocoto, manana motoko colela mati yocoto. So it's time for you to relax into life. Time to remember that life is happening for you. You came here specifically to experience and to expand your awareness and your connection to consciousness and all that is. So it's time to stop the blame game. Time to stop the resistance to past creations. Creations that you manifested out of your low-level vibrations, your old thinking patterns, your fears from your childhood. Just know that it's time to release all of that and deliberately step into what it is that you prefer. Sometimes it's a bit hard to swallow the pill, the self-fulfilling pill that our past has been somewhere in our own creation, things that we agreed to in our contract before coming to life in this present state. So sometimes it feels unreal that we would actually even agree to some of the things that we've set up for ourselves. But as soon as you do acknowledge them and accept responsibility, you can actually move on responsibly. And to move on responsibly is to keep focusing on the present moment. Let anything that's gone in the last moments, the last days, the last weeks, the last months, the last years, let it all go. The good, the not so good, and the terrible. All of those old wounds and all your expectations, let it all be defunct. Nyonom ha le nume ale tia kotolo mañana me ale o koto. Marakatea kia kolo kotolo mañana me o kotolo kolomati ale o kotoho. Mariana meti hakali o kolo kotoho. Mañana meti o kotoho. Your life is so much more than the physical manifestations. And as soon as you connect more closely in alignment with your true spirit being, the easier life will get for you. It takes a little bit of practice, but you're up for it. So don't get too lost in the doing. Focus on being in each moment and then taking inspired action to propel you forward in the most graceful, easy way to experience more of what it is that you do prefer. And now we'll focus on some activations to help you release all that no longer serves you and to activate aspects of your DNA and your consciousness, your old past memories, and your spirit being to bring you into alignment. So take an extra deep breath in now. Breathe in from your belly button and feel the air passing through your nostrils. Feel the coolness of it as it goes in and feel the warmth of it as you exhale. Feel your chest moving. And notice that while you've been deliberately focusing on this, you see the parts of the inspiration and the expiration. Just as you focus on the small aspects of life, you notice all of the synchronicities, all the inclusions, all the deflections, and everything that goes with it. So if you can maintain a higher focus and just stay present, life will actually happen for you so much more effortlessly and easily. Marakatea leo koto matariere gana koto matariere katea kalakotolo matariere mateo kolokotea kamen yunome o kotolo. And with the intention of letting go of all the old hurts, any past traumas, any beliefs that keep you stuck in the past, any situations where you believe you've been hurt, any situations where you still feel hurt or disrespected or dishonored, situations where you've not been listened to and not been heard, situations of resistance, and all thoughts about not being able to get what you want. And all thoughts about life being hard. All thoughts of hopelessness and despair. Thoughts of anxiousness. The feeling of depression, which is just ongoing hopelessness. And I don't mean just, but hopelessness that is unresolved becomes depression. When you can't see any situations changing, and you think that you just have to push on, that's holding on to old beliefs and old patterns and not trusting yourself and the powerful force that you are and your ability to transform and recreate more purposely what it is that you would like to be enjoying in this physical world. So with that big intention of letting everything go, allow your physical body, your emotional body, and your spiritual body, your mental body, to absorb and to respond in the highest way possible to these light activation codes. Ha na le te ome te ome ale ni okuhu ale nyane kotomale nyati kume oku ale no mantarinio no medicati no motolo con la mañana meticati o cotolo mayati o cotolo maracatenio no matenia no motocolo cotala meticati o cotomai Aleniano no motocolo catariere meticati motocomai leriere meti o cotolo maraniana no motocolo la mañana niani o colocote a catae maraniana no motocolo cale matariere meticati a yoko locotolo mateo cotolo Aleano no mate a lo cololo matari anano metio coto. Aleana matakate no ma hale o coloco metacati no ma yoko. Alam he nyala noko mala la motuko loko tala mate anyana metio cotolo. Paracata no lo cum menyana nyana mio cotolo. Para anyana la meticati no motocolo catenia. Aleana motokolo kotala matariana motokolo matekate nyana meti okoto. Ananiana no motokoto meniane meaki okotolo. Aleaniana motokolo kotala meteki okolo kotemati okoto. Aleana motoko metikam. Yana metekotokolo la maniana metekotolo la maniana mi okoto. Nada la moto cometare allo culum metekati ali okotolo ale anyanya no kotolo kotalamati okotoho Mare yana matokotolo lea nyanyana na mi okotolo. Aleana kali okolo kologiam meteri okolam meti. Halala matokolo ko halala haleana ne matoko kolamaniana meti hokoto. Marakatia karamatokolo kataleana matokotolo manana me akade okoto. Manyana meti okoto toho mati a. Aleane me oko kalala mati katia okotolo. Maranyana na matoko menyane nyane mi okoto. Aleana na motoko manyana nyana ne mitiki okoto. Marakata re motokolo kololo manyane mi okoto. Maranyana na motoko holeana matikati okotolo. Aleana ki okoto maha. Now is the time for you to reconnect with the highest vibration of yourself, being pure love, pure divine light. Manyane okotolo kolelame okoto. Time to remember that you came here to play, to have fun, and to experience whatever it is that you prefer to experience. But it's a game of evolution. Unless we have those situations that we don't prefer, it's very difficult to deliberately manifest what it is that we do prefer. So play the game. Let go of your focus on the things that you don't want and shift it deliberately to creating the experience that you prefer. And the easiest way to create that is from a peaceful state. Feel what it feels like to be always calm, to be able to respond however you'd prefer to respond in any situation. Feel what it feels like to feel good, to be well, to be happy in yourself, to trust yourself, to have faith in your ability to manifest. Feel what it feels like to be generous and kind and accepting, and to be open to receive all the blessings that are available to you. And when you feel like this, calm and present and joyful and happy within yourself, that's what you get more of. Joy, peace, love and happiness. And that's my wish for you. Now these activations can be listened to again and again. If you can listen to it a couple of times between now and the next few days, that will be extremely beneficial. I'd love to know how you are after experiencing these activations. And I would love to hear your stories of how you're transforming your life and what you're committed to for yourself and what your focus is for your future, which is now. So big love and blessings to each and every one of you. And Mariaka Hialo, Menyano Kolala Meatiaka Leakoto, Aleako Kolomatariara Maya Kolokoto Matiaka Leokoto, Malia Nematoko Lokoto Lomanyane Meti, Lere Enyono Mate Katea, Le Hale Okotoko Timeti, Ale O Kolelamati Okota, Mehaha. Marioko Kaleana Meokoto. Much love. Bye bye.